Bayou Tahar at the time, gosh, it brings tears to my eyes. It was a pristine, wonderful, ecological garden.
There are still a few who remember that time of plenty, when waters flowed clean with an abundance of fish and wildlife. But as the area grew in population and industrial pollution increased, the health of our local bays and bayous declined.
When the first part of what's now Cordova Mall was paved, it rained, and the flow off that asphalt went down into Carpenter's Creek, and all the gators in Bayou Tahar left en masse.
She got off the phone and she was crying, and she said there was a big fish kill and the entire bay is covered in dead fish.
In the late 20th century, some major steps toward cleaning up our waterways took place as the public increased pressure on elected officials to stop industrial pollution.
The 1972 Clean Water Act worked, right? So one of the big things that they addressed in the Clean Water Act was point source pollution, industrial discharges.
Much of today's pollution comes from many different sources spread across the landscape, making it much more difficult to control.
We know what needs to be done in terms of restoration and cleanup. It's more do people in the area value clean water and clean air? And are they willing to perhaps make some sacrifices and allow the government to have some amount of regulation of that?
The people of Northwest Florida and South Alabama have a new opportunity to get involved in restoring local waterways. It's the Pensacola and Perdido Bay's Estuary program. Learn more about how you can get involved by visiting ppbep.org.